Dear students, this is the 8th chapter of class 7th, Developing Skills in QBasic Input and Conditional Statements. In this statement, first of all, we are going to cover up the part of input statement. Input statement stands for whenever we have to input the message, whenever we have to input the type of data from the keyboard itself. There is a difference between input and let. Previously, we have done in class 6 the use of let statement. In the let statement, children, after assigning the variable, the value was also being stated over there. But in the case of input statement, we have to put the value accordingly. According to the user will be putting the values according to their choice in the data type. So here children, first of all, I am going to tell you what is numeric variable and what is alphanumeric variable. Just have a look. Alphanumeric variable is used whenever we have to enter the data like a string. $. The alphanumeric variable starts from an alphabet and it should end with a dollar symbol. A character, a word or a sentence is always being given in the alphanumeric variable and it is always being written in the double quotes. When anything is written within the double quote, it is known as alphanumeric constant or string constant. An alphanumeric variable stores a string constant. We can call alphanumeric variable as well as string variable. Both mean the same. Whenever we have to input a constant like a number, then we have to use a numeric variable. Now let's look at the programs. First example is as follows. First of all, we have to write down CLS, input, enter first number. We have to input a number. That is why we have taken a numeric variable A. For entering the second variable, we have taken the variable B. Now, whatever the addition will be coming, this program shows how to add two numbers. So here we have taken a third value C, which will be storing the value or the sum of A and B. The value will be stored in the variable C. After that, using the print statement, we have to print the numbers. Sum of two numbers is denoted by the variable C. Input with message. This is a program which will show input with message. Now let's look at the answer part. As we have taken input statement, so here children, enter first number. After the input statement, there is a message, enter first number. If we would have written input A, then only a question mark would have come. Here after the input statement, it is written enter first number. So here after enter first number statement, a question mark has come. Whenever we are going to use a input statement, a question mark comes on the output screen. To get the output of the program, we have to press the function key F5. Simultaneously enter second number. After that there is a question mark. I have inputted the first number to be 5 and the second number to be 4. So obviously the sum of two numbers is 9 and the program has come like this. Now let's look at the second program. In the second program children, here we have to enter our name, class section and roll number. So here we have to use two different types of variables. One is your alphanumeric or a string variable which is meant for entering a character, a word or a sentence. The second is your roll number which is meant for entering only a number. Input with message. Input, enter your name. I have taken a variable to be $. Input, enter your class section. I have taken $CL. Input, enter your roll number. I have taken a variable, numeric variable, that is R. Now coming to the print statement. Print, my name is. I have to present the same variable as I have taken for an input statement. I have taken $. So here also for print statement, I have to use the same variable, which is $n. Similarly, for class and section, I have taken $CL. So $CL I have to write here. For roll number, I have taken the variable R. So I have taken here also for print statement also I have taken R. Now just have a look at the output. Here children comes the output on the screen. Enter your name with a question mark. We have to input our name. Enter your class and section. We have to input the class and section. Enter your roll number. We have to input our roll number. After that, the message will be displayed as my name is, my class and section is, my roll number is. Now here you see children, class and section I have taken V11B, which itself is a alphabet. That is why here we have taken the alphanumeric variable. For name, obviously it should be an alphanumeric variable. And here for roll number, since we have to input a number, that is why we have taken a numeric variable. Students now come with the third program. Input, enter the first number. Input, enter the second number. We have taken two separate variables for first number and second number, that is A and B. Now children, we have to find the sum of these two numbers, product as well as difference of these two numbers. So here children, S we have taken a variable for addition of two numbers A and B. P, I have taken the variable for multiplication of two numbers A asterisk B. C, I have taken for subtraction of two numbers A minus B. Now it's a print with the statement also. Print sum of two numbers is, so I have taken the variable, same variable as I have taken for adding of two numbers, that is S. Print product of two numbers, that is P, which I have taken earlier for some multiplication of two numbers. C, A minus B, the difference of two numbers, I have taken the C. Now let's have a look at the output. Children, just have a look. Enter first number comes with a question mark. I have taken the first value to be 7. Enter second number. I have taken the second value to be 5. Sum of two numbers is displayed to be 12. 7 plus 5. Product of two numbers is 35. 7 5s are 35. Difference of two numbers is 2. Children, instead of taking two separate statements for input of two separate numbers, we can club these two together also and complete it in a single statement also. I'll be showing you these programs later on.